Alright, so let's see how to replace the air filter on this Audi, also the cabin filter. So with a T15, you've got two screws in here. Once these two are removed, you can take out this part, like that. And down there, you can use a hook to catch on the connector. Down here, with a 7mm socket, remove this hose clamp. If you have one of these one-time use clamp, you can use some sort of hook or a screwdriver to release it. You gotta basically just open it up from this side and then it will come out. And have prepared, of course, some reusable hose clamps, which are much better than these ones. Now I can use a rubber cord to hold this evaporative solenoid. Next, with a screwdriver in cross, you've got two screws on top here, and then you've got two more on the bottom, for which you will need some sort of universal joint, which is flexible like that. Let's remove as well this hose clamp with a 7mm. There is one more hose clamp down here, 7mm. If one of the hoses are hard to remove like this one, use some silicone lubricant in between there. Now we've got the maximum access possible to the air filter housing. Down here you've got a 10mm bolt, and from this point you're going to be able to wiggle it out. On the air filter housing you should find three clips, one here, one here, and one on the side here, which is missing in my situation. Here is the filter, quite dirty and clean and full of debris. Now before installing the new filter on, it's important to clean very well this box, because those debris will go on the new filter and make it last less than it should. So go ahead and clean it up very well. Now once the new air filter is on, let's reconnect these clips. I've got only two of them, so I have to buy at least one more in order to seal properly this air filter. Down here you've got two rubber tabs which can be lubricated as well. So when you press the air filter housing, it will go in much easier. Right, now let's begin to reconnect everything back. Now the cabin air filter is located down here, so you gotta remove this rubber line and then take out this cover. And on the passenger side you're gonna find the filter. Just take out this clip, remove the cabin filter, which is, by the way, very dirty. With some brake cleaner, go ahead and clean up very well inside there. Now place the new filter on. Alright guys, so that was pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos about this car, I'm gonna make a link with a playlist in the description below, so you can check it out. Also, if you want to see more car repair videos from me in the future, hit that subscribe button as well. And until next time, drive safe, so I can see you soon.